Like in New York, California, they not tripping off the Surons and the dirt bikes. The class 3 e-bikes that's basically dirt bikes, they ain't tripping. But in Chicago, they not letting you ride no Suron on the street. They not. And then like over here in St. Louis, downtown St. Louis, like I don't know if I can get away with riding a dirt bike on the street without a license plate. And the whole thing is I'm trying to avoid all regulation. I don't want government inside my food delivery at all. So that's how I got to this point. Shout out to ESA, Electric Scooter Academy, Yogi Steve. He been out there on these scooters for years. He got the Cabo Wolf. He got the GTR. He got the InMotion. Man, he got the, what's that thing called? The eMove Road Runner Pro. Bro is the reason that I actually found my way to the electric scooter category. ESA, Electric Scooter Academy. He got all the discount codes if you want to buy a scooter. I have no discount codes. He got a partnership with Rural Motors out in California. He's your guy, but he is my inspiration, and he is the reason that I finally was able to get out here on this scooter. Vespa, that's also a good brand. What does the amount of battery distance that give? I get 60-mile range out of this. I was on this thing for 4 hours earlier today, y'all. If I see I'm delivering in the hood, I go back home, put my rifle in my car. It ain't got nothing to do with me. Too many regulations, says Kevin. That's facts. Like I did the gas scooter last year. No, I did the e-bike last year. I did the gas scooter the year before that. This is the evolution of food delivery. You're going to end up finding you a vehicle that has the least amount of regulations with the fastest speed. And that's pretty much what it comes to. What vehicle can I get where I can go as fast as I want to with the least amount of government regulation? And that's how you make it to the standing electric scooter. I'm basically riding around on a fucking battery, y'all. I'm basically riding around on two small ass 11-inch tires, or maybe even 10-inch tires, tubeless, you know, with a big old battery. And that's it. And that's all I need. Give me a battery, you know, a steering wheel, and I'm gonna make my money. I don't need all this government regulation. I don't need a seatbelt and a damn, no. Just let me get out here and get my money, government. Why you take screenshot of all your orders? Because I'm a content creator, silly. How the hell am I gonna create my content without no screenshots? Adrian McPherson, make sure y'all head on over to his channel because he is definitely a big inspiration on my different vehicle journey. Like, bro, I be watching all of his videos. Adrian McPherson, our brand new channel moderator. Hold on, did I do it right? Adrian McPherson, brand new channel moderator. He posts videos up there in New York. Y'all need to go check my boy out because he's doing this thing. He's also a big inspiration for me heading on this this journey of these electric vehicles. But I got that mug right in the back though. Y'all want to see? Damn, I'm just losing shit. Damn, what the hell I just do with that thing? Did I drop it? All right, hold on 1 second. I'm about to show y'all this scooter. Let me find my shit though. How you lose some shit sitting in one spot? There you go. Fold that bad boy up, throw it right in the back. Yes, sir. Got the helmet. Hold on, where my helmet at? Oh, it's right there. Got the helmet. Got everything I need. Bungee cords. Yes, sir. 45 miles an hour in my trunk. Let's get it. 60-mile range is a beast. Yes, sir. You better tell them, look, 60 miles, that's a lot of range on an electric scooter. Like, you got to realize, like, that's range. That's a lot of range. So, yeah, I definitely cranked out a couple deliveries already on there. 2 videos been made. Technically 3 because I got my unboxing video that's already live on my second channel. So, one of my channel moderators, do me a favor. Drop the link to my second channel, Professor Blackleg. I already got the unboxing video of me unboxing the video, taking it out on my first ride, testing it out. And mind you,